please welcome our first Binibini for the fourth batch, Emma Mary Tiglao.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Chinese New Year. I'm Emma Tiglao, 19th from Mabalacat City, Pampanga. I'm a graduating tourism student from Holy Angel University.
Thank you very much. Next up, we have Julian Aureen Flores.
Good evening, my name is Julian Aureen Flores. You can call me Ja. 23 years old from the city of Manila. I'm a government scholar graduate at Pamantasan Sod, Manila, and currently working as a professional model.
Thank you very much. Next up, we have Yvette Marie Santiago.
Hello, good evening everyone. Kong He Fa Choi. This is Yvette Marie Abisado Santiago, 20 from Daraga, Albay. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy from Bicol University, and I'm now a certified public accountant. Diyos mabalos po sa inyo boss, and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Diyos mabalos po sa inyo. Please welcome our next Binibini, Pia Alonzo Wirchbach.
Good evening to everyone. Happy Chinese New Year. My name is Pia Alonzo Wirtzbach, 24, from the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro. I'm a chef, a TV personality, and I was Binibini Pilipinas 2013 first runner-up.
Next up, we have Nicole Marie Manalo.
Good evening everyone. I am Nicole Manalo, 24 years old from Parañaque City. I graduated nursing at Manila Doctors College and currently working as an ICU nurse at Hospital na Makati.
Please welcome our next Binibini, Vanessa Saliva.
Good evening, everyone. I am Vanessa N. Saliba, 18 years old, a third year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Travel Management at Our Lady of Fatima University. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too. Please welcome our next Binibini, Diana Arevalo.
Hello, everyone. Happy Chinese New Year. My name is Diana Arevalo, 25, from Oriental, Mindoro. I'm an overseas Filipino worker in Macau, working as a welcome ambassador for a hotel concierge. Again, Gong Si Fat Sai.
Please welcome our next Binibini, Joanna Angelica Romero.
Good evening everyone, I am Joanna Angelica Romero, 24. I graduated Biz Tourism in Ateneo de Naga University and was a college basketball varsity player. From the heart of Bicolandia, Naga City.
Our second and the last Binibini, we have Mary Jean Lastimosa.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. I am Mary Jean Lastimosa. I'm 26 years old. I'm an entrepreneur and an engineer, and also I'm a Bisaya and a Ilonggo beauty from the province of North Cotabato. Thank you.
Completing our last batch, please welcome our last Binibini, Hernandez Agustin.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ednornans Agustin, 23 years old from Mandaluyong City, a graduate of AB International Studies, major in Asian Studies in Ateneo de Davao University, a professional model, and a proud Davaoeña. Once again, Kong He Fat Sai.
And that completes our last batch. A round of applause to our last set of Binibinis.